Hello, grade 1. For today's project, we're going to be making a mosaic vase, or vase as some people say, with flowers in it. Let's begin. This is part 1. Actually, I think we're going to do the whole thing in just one part because I think you could do it. What's a mosaic? Well, a mosaic is a picture or design made by placing little pieces down to fill up the space. These little pieces are called tiles. Tiles can be made of lots of things. They can be made of pieces of wood, of stones, of pieces of glass, or little cut pieces of paper. There's always a little bit of the background space around each tile when you glue it down, and you have to sometimes cut them to fit the little tiny spaces. We're going to start. For our project, you'll need a plain piece of paper, your glue stick, a pair of scissors, and several colors of construction paper, as many as you like, but you should have at least 3 or 4. Let's begin. We're going to hold our paper this way for our project, the tall way, vertically. Not this way, not horizontally. We're going to hold it vertically. And the first thing we need is a simple shape for our vase. Oh yes, a vase is a container that can hold flowers. It could be a lot of things. It could be a pretty bottle or some other kind of container. We're just going to have a simple rectangle. So take your first piece of construction paper that you choose for your container. I chose black because I think it looks nice with all the colors, but you can choose whatever you want. Fold it in half like a book, like a hamburger bun, right? Not like a hot dog bun, just like it was a little book. And then cut that in half. Cut, 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 cut. Here we go, cutting it up in half. There. Put the other piece away for another project. And take the one half that you have and fold that in half, like a hamburger bun again. Like a little book. And cut that in half. That will give us the right size for our vase. There we go. And you glue, with your glue stick, you glue this down right to the bottom of your paper. Remember, I picked black for mine because I just liked it with all the colors that I used. But you can pick whatever color you like. Now for the little paper tiles. These are for our mosaic pieces. You need to cut some strips, and they don't all have to be the same size, but you need a few colors. Alright, and then you could do it one at a time or put a few together. I put these 2 together and I started cutting them up into pieces. And they don't have to be the same size either. Matter of fact, try and make some a little bigger and some a little smaller, and they could be slanted until you have all your paper tiles cut. I put a few of them together. There we go. There. You'll be cutting some of them even smaller to fit them into your space here. There. If I need more, I'll cut more, but that's enough for now. All right. Now take your glue stick and put glue all over the front of your container or vase. Make sure you get enough on there. There we go. I don't want to get my finger stuck in there and then get doubly glued all over. There. Now we can start fitting the tiles in, almost like a puzzle. Start putting them in. Remember, a mosaic has space around each tile. And they don't have to be even. Some can be this way and some can be that way. See, I'm just trying to fit some in. There we go. Oh, I don't have one that's small enough for here. I better take one and cut it really small. Let's see, does that fit up? Perfect. And you keep doing that, fitting them in. Remember to leave space all around until you have your entire vase filled in with tiles. So when you're done, you have this. Pretty neat, huh? I probably could fit some real skinny ones down here. Maybe I'll do that part later. But the next thing is you need to have your crayons. We're going to make flowers coming right out of the vase, like we just went to the garden and picked the loveliest flowers that we could find. So let's get some stems coming out, and you can use different color greens for the stems because not all flowers have green stems. So let's get some stems growing right out. And remember, not all stems are straight. Some bend, some are short. Here's another green. This one is going way over there, and a little one in there. And I've got another green here. Don't forget to leave room for the flowers at the top. You can put as many flowers as you want. Now, let's put some flowers in. What kind of flowers? Any kind you like. You want to put roses or daisies or tulips. You can make them with as many colors and as fancy as you like. But fill in all of them. Some flowers can be yellow, some can be green and blue. My goodness, flowers come in so many different colors. This one has a big center, and it's going to be orange around there. Oh, that's sort of like a pink, isn't it? There. How's that? And I've got it. Let me get a sunflower in. Sunflower has, I don't want to do it on that one because I want a short one. My sunflower is going to be really big. So I'm going to do the inside brown of a sunflower really big. And now, oh, is that's it? Oh, here it is. Big petals all around. This is my sunflower. Yeah. Oh boy, big sunflower. Maybe I will put a little bit of golden yellow in there too. You make your flowers however you would like them to be, boys and girls. Tulips. Did you ever draw a tulip? Watch a little trick. You draw a little U like that. And then you come down, up, down, up. There's my tulip. And I will put some color inside. I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to make a, let me see, a blue tulip. A U shape. And then down, up, down, up. There we go. Now, if you'd like to have some leaves, oh, I forgot one over there. I'm going to make a little rose. Fancy schmancy rose. It's not really going to look like a rose, but, well, it's my idea of a rose, and you can make yours however you like. Oh, there's a little guy over there. I can't forget him. Ah, there we go. Let's have a little tulip. U, down, up, there's a little guy. All right. Now we need, I think I may want to put some leaves on my stems. So here we go. I'll just put a nice leaf here. And maybe two on this stem. One over here, and then I'll come up a little and another one. And let's see, maybe one here. and one here. And let's see, my sunflower. My sunflower definitely needs some leaves. So I'll put some long skinny ones. Whoa, long skinny ones. How's that? Long skinny leaf. And I'll put one up here. Long, even though it already has a leaf. And there we go, boys and girls. Oh, I forgot my little guy again. A little leaf here, and maybe a little leaf here. All right, boys and girls. We finished our mosaic vase full of beautiful flowers. And you can add as many flowers as you want. So do the project, take a picture of it, send the picture to me in my email address, which I gave to you on the original letter to your parents. And then please let me know who did it. If I see a beautiful picture and I don't know who did it, I'll be very sad. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you don't know what that means, I'm sure mom or dad or brother or sister or aunt or uncle or grandma, they might know. So I'll see you for our project next time, boys and girls. Bye.